Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how to make or create a group chat on Snapchat application. Now before we start, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service and make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. Now make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So open the Snapchat application. So here the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the chat icon, which is right at the bottom on the left hand side corner. And here you can see the chat page looks something like this. Now in order to create a group chat, first of all you need to have a participant. So for that, what you have to do is just simply tap on the circle icon or a text icon, which is right at the bottom on the right hand side corner. So on the other page, there you have all the contact list. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is right on top there you can see an option called new group. So just tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, right on top you get to create a group name. So first of all, create the name of a group. Once you're done giving name to the group, what you have to do is, and you can add as many participants as possible. Now in order to add participant, all you have to do is just tap on the name or the username, and once you get the blue tick, which means that this person has been selected, and once you're done selecting, just tap on chat with group, which is right at the bottom, and here you can see that the group chat has been created. And this is how you can create a group chat on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.